Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Money supply just dropped by $100 million and we need to find out why. Let's use the reserve ratio to solve this fast right now. First, we identify the money multiplier by taking the reciprocal of the 20% reserve ratio. 1 divided by 0.2 gives us a multiplier of exactly 5 for this economy. Next, we calculate the required change in reserves to hit our target. Dividing the $100 million decrease by our multiplier of 5 means reserves must drop by $20 million. Finally, we look for an action that removes $20 million from the system. A central bank bond sale pulls cash out, making option A the perfect match for our calculation. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps for option A.